Hello everyone. For today's teacher professional development, we'll be looking at the Nearpod app and website. Nearpod is an all-in-one solution for mobile device and education. So just simply type in nearpod.com. It should take you to a site like this. Once you have typed it in, you can go ahead and log in. And we're going to be logging in as the teachers. So here you can either create your email, or in this case, I'm going to be logging in with my Google account. So once you've logged in, it takes you to this site right here. And basically, this is where we would basically launch if we're getting ready to do our lesson. We select My Library, and in our library, we can host or hold literally hundreds of lesson plans. And also let you know too that most of these lesson plans are free, and there are paid lesson plans as well. But we're just going to click on My Library. So I'm going to select, here is my lessons, and I've got 3 here, but I'm going to select this one to show you what it looks like. So all we have to do is hit live. Once we hit live, it'll populate this code, and if our students with their iPads should have this code on their iPad, and they'll be able to log in by typing in this code, and it should take them directly to our lesson plan. And one of the things I like about this is the fact that we can actually, if I scroll back, I can wait and see who's all logged in and who's on the same page as me. Now, one of the things I like about this as the teacher is that I have control of the lesson. So this will only show on their iPads, and the kids will not be able to go anywhere else. I hope you enjoyed this short little video clip on Nearpod. Thank you so much.